All right, so for the top one, we're going to organize the values and approximate them where they should be on this number line. So we can use our calculator, and the square root of 73 is about 8.54. So just about 8.54, which means that the square root of 73 is going to go about right here on the number line. The square root of 35, if you use your calculator, it's about 5.916. And that means it's going to go closer to the 6 side here, so pretty close to this. The square root of 20 is about 4.47. That's really close to 4.5, so we're going to put that right here. Now I'm going to do the last one here, 5 halves, which is the same thing as 2.5. So that's going to go right here, halfway between 2 and 3. And the last one is the square root of 196 over 81. Do note that this is the same thing as the square root of 196 divided by the square root of 81 if you're having difficulty putting it in your calculator in one step. The square root of 196 is 14, and the square root of 81 is 9. And that gives us a decimal approximation of about 1.55555. So this number here will go really close to the 1.5 spot, right up there. The next one is we're going to order these numbers from smallest to largest. And if we take a quick look, we can tell that 2 of the numbers here are negative. So these have to be the smallest numbers because they're negative. So let's find the decimal expansion for those first. So negative 1/7 is about equal to negative 0.1428. And negative square root of 5 is about equal to negative 2.236. So that means the negative square root of 5 will be the smallest number, followed by the negative 1/7. 0.31 repeating really just means 0.313131 repeating. The square root of 3 is about equal to 1.73. And 8/2 is just a fraction, and that really simplifies before. So that means my next smallest number is 0.31 repeating, then the square root of 3, and then 8 halves. So if you have any kind of questions, ask your math teacher.